Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to enable mobile banking at CBS Indian Bank. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to just download the mobile application from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store or Apple Store. Or you can just go to their website. So once you have done that guys, you just have to look at the online banking section. Find the internet banking option, look for the internet banking or online banking link on the home page or on the application. And the following step is to just register for online banking. Select registration, click the new user registration option, fill in the required details, provide your account number, registered mobile number and other necessary details. And once you have done that guys, you just have to verify your identity. You can do it by receiving OTP. This is a one-time password. Just enter the OTP on the website or the application to verify your identity. The last step is to set up your login credentials, create username and password, follow the prompts to set your username and password for online banking access. And then you just have to complete the registration. Once you have done it, you will receive confirmation on your email. And then you can just log in into your online banking account. By following these steps, you can successfully enable online banking on Indian Bank's CBS system. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.